I know the lighting isn't optimal, but as you can tell, it's kind of crappy outside. This is a new acquisition. This replaced a 5950 BTU Frigidaire built by WCI. It was undersized. It was made in 2024, modern, but not bad. Midea 12,000 BTU inverter window air conditioner. Not the best install job, but it'll suffice until next year when I can install it better. But this is just temporary. It is very quiet. Even when the compressor is running, it is extremely quiet and it's extremely efficient. It averages about 7 amps on high cool, so like hot room maximum cooling capacity, it'll average between 7 and 8 amps for a 12,000. 15.0 CEER efficiency rating. And yeah, the inside fan is really quiet, and because it's an inverter, the compressor is multi-speed, as is the condenser fan. But this is a lot like the U-shaped Mideas with the 2 fan motors. So inside fan motor, outside fan motor, they're separate. So the outside condenser fan motor only runs with the compressors on, and shortly after, inside fan motor runs. Even on eco, it runs fairly constantly. There goes the compressor. And the condenser fan motor. If you heard that high-pitched squeal, you can hear it better now. That's the compressor. Yeah, that was the compressor. Staging it. It's still staging it. There we go. Yeah. So, you can hear just how quiet this thing is. Now this is inside fan low cool, low. You know, that's low. And really the only thing you can hear is the condenser fan motor. But when the condenser fan motor is off, you don't hear anything from this indoor fan motor. Here's medium. That's what it was on before. Here's high speed. And as you can hear, even on its highest indoor fan speed, I can talk normally over it. And this is not a very heavy unit at all either. I think ship weight is 70 pounds. The unit's probably 60 pounds. I put it in the window myself. So, I just cannot recommend this enough. Like, it's a good unit. It keeps the living room and the dining room in this house cold. And, see if I can show you there's the indoor fan. You can see it's one of those squirrel cage. It's one of those squirrel cage fans. Quieter design. Here's the spec sheet on it. So yeah. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.